We're entering a new era of warfare. The battlefield is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by rapid advancements in technology. Gone are the days when traditional weapons and strategies dominated the scene. Today it's all about cutting-edge innovations that are reshaping the very nature of conflict. It's fast. It's powerful. Modern warfare is characterized by speed and precision. High-speed missile launches and powerful explosions are now the norm, not the exception. These new weapon systems are designed to strike with unparalleled accuracy and devastating force. It's all about hypersonic missiles. These weapons are game changers. Hypersonic missiles can travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Military personnel are now trained to handle these advanced systems, ensuring they can be deployed effectively in any scenario. They can travel at incredible speeds. Imagine a missile that can cover vast distances in a matter of minutes, reaching its target before the enemy even has a chance to react. This speed gives a significant tactical advantage, allowing for rapid and decisive strikes. They can outmaneuver almost any defense system. Traditional anti-air defenses are becoming obsolete in the face of these agile and highly maneuverable missiles. Their ability to change course mid-flight makes them incredibly difficult to track and intercept. It's a whole new ballgame. Military strategists are now focusing on integrating these advanced technologies into their overall battle plans. Generals and tacticians are constantly discussing and refining modern warfare tactics to leverage the full potential of hypersonic missiles. Imagine a missile that can travel at 5 times the speed of sound. The sheer velocity of these weapons is mind-boggling. Breaking the sound barrier multiple times over, they can reach their targets with unprecedented speed and force, leaving little to no time for countermeasures. That's what we're talking about. These aren't just theoretical concepts, they're real, tangible advancements that are being deployed in the field today. The close-up views of these hypersonic missiles reveal the intricate engineering and design that make such feats possible. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. The futuristic appearance of these technologies often feels like they've been pulled straight from the pages of a science fiction novel. Yet, they are very much a part of our current reality, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in warfare. And it's changing the way we think about warfare. The introduction of hypersonic missiles is forcing military leaders to rethink traditional strategies and adapt to a new paradigm. Analyzing missile data and understanding the changing dynamics of the battlefield are now critical components of modern military planning. These missiles are incredibly complex. They're also incredibly important. The engineering and assembly of hypersonic missiles involve cutting-edge technology and meticulous attention to detail. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly to ensure these systems are reliable and effective. They give countries a strategic advantage. Nations that possess hypersonic missile technology hold a significant edge over those that do not. This strategic advantage can be a decisive factor in both deterrence and active conflict scenarios, showcasing a country's military prowess. And everyone wants in on the action. The global interest in hypersonic missile technology is immense. Countries around the world are investing heavily in research and development to either catch up or maintain their lead in this high-stakes arms race. The competition is fierce, and the implications are profound. What makes hypersonic missiles so special? It's their speed and maneuverability. They're like the Ferraris of the missile world. Traditional missiles are fast, but hypersonic missiles are in a whole different league. They move at speeds greater than Mach 5. That's 5 times the speed of sound. And it's not just about speed. These missiles are also incredibly agile. They can change direction quickly. This makes them very difficult to intercept. They can evade even the most advanced defense systems. Okay, let's talk speed. We know hypersonic means fast, but how fast is fast? Mach 1 is the speed of sound. That's about 767 miles per hour. Now imagine something traveling at 5 times that speed. That's Mach 5, that's hypersonic. To put it into perspective, a hypersonic missile can travel from New York to Los Angeles in about 30 minutes. That's faster than a commercial flight. A lot faster. Speed is one thing, but hypersonic missiles are also incredibly maneuverable. They can zigzag, they can change altitude, they can even glide through the air. This makes them incredibly difficult to track and intercept. Imagine trying to hit a fly that's moving at super speed and constantly changing direction. That's the challenge with hypersonic missiles. They're just too fast and too agile for most defense systems. This makes them a game changer in modern warfare. Section 5. America's Arsenal. The different types of hypersonic missiles. In this section we will delve into the fascinating world of hypersonic missiles, exploring the different types that are currently being developed and tested by the US military. These advanced weapons are at the forefront of modern military technology, promising to revolutionize warfare with their unprecedented speed and precision. The US military is developing different types of hypersonic weapons. These efforts are part of a broader strategy to maintain technological superiority and ensure national security. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly in state-of-the-art research facilities to push the boundaries of what is possible with missile technology. Two main types are hypersonic glide vehicles, also known as HGVs, and hypersonic cruise missiles, or HCMs. Each type has unique characteristics and serves different strategic purposes on the battlefield. Hypersonic glide vehicles, or HGVs, are designed to be launched into space on a rocket. Once they reach the edge of the atmosphere, they detach from the rocket and begin their descent towards the target. This method allows them to achieve incredible speeds and makes them difficult to detect and intercept. HGVs are launched into space on a rocket. This initial phase of the launch is crucial as it provides the necessary velocity and altitude for the glide vehicle to operate effectively. The rocket propels the HGV to the edge of space, where it can then begin its high-speed journey back to Earth. They then glide to their target at hypersonic speeds. This gliding phase is what sets HGVs apart from traditional ballistic missiles. The ability to maneuver during descent makes them highly unpredictable and challenging for enemy defense systems to counter. Hypersonic cruise missiles, or HCMs on the other hand, are powered by engines throughout their flight. Unlike HGVs, HCMs do not rely on a rocket to reach their target. Instead, they use advanced propulsion systems that allow them to maintain hypersonic speeds while flying at lower altitudes. Both types have their advantages. HGVs are incredibly fast and maneuverable, making them ideal for penetrating heavily defended areas. Their ability to change trajectory mid-flight makes them a formidable threat to any adversary. HGVs are incredibly fast and maneuverable. This combination of speed and agility allows them to evade traditional missile defense systems, increasing their chances of successfully reaching their target. HCMs have longer ranges and can be launched from various platforms. This versatility makes them a valuable asset for the military, as they can be deployed from land, sea, or air, providing a flexible response to different threats. The development of these hypersonic weapons represents a significant leap forward in military technology, offering new capabilities and strategic options for the future. Section 6. A show of force, recent successful tests. The US military has been busy testing these hypersonic missiles. These tests are part of a broader strategy to enhance national defense capabilities and maintain a technological edge over potential adversaries. The development and testing of hypersonic missiles have been a top priority for the Department of Defense, reflecting the importance of staying ahead in the arms race. And guess what? The tests have been successful, very successful. Each test has provided valuable data, helping engineers refine the technology and improve the performance of these advanced weapons. The success of these tests is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the scientists, engineers, and military personnel involved in the program. In December 2024, the U.S. Army successfully tested its new hypersonic missile. This test was a significant milestone in the development of hypersonic technology, demonstrating the missile's capability to travel at speeds greater than 5 times the speed of sound. The test was closely monitored by military officials and defense analysts, who were eager to see the results. The test took place at Cape Canaveral, a site known for its history of space exploration and missile testing. The location was chosen for its advanced facilities and strategic importance. Cape Canaveral has been a hub for missile testing for decades, providing the perfect environment for such a critical test. The missile flew at hypersonic speeds and hit its target with pinpoint accuracy. This level of precision is crucial for the effectiveness of hypersonic weapons, as it ensures that the missile can neutralize high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. The successful test demonstrated the missile's advanced guidance systems and aerodynamic design. This was a major milestone for the U.S. military. The successful test not only validated the technology but also boosted the morale of the personnel involved. It marked a significant step forward in the US's efforts to develop next-generation weapon systems that can provide a strategic advantage in future conflicts. It showed the world that the US is serious about hypersonic weapons. The successful test sent a clear signal to both allies and adversaries that the US is committed to maintaining its technological superiority. This demonstration of power is intended to deter potential threats and reassure allies of the US's defense capabilities. It also sent a clear message to its adversaries. The development and successful testing of hypersonic missiles serve as a warning to any nation that might consider challenging the US's strategic interests. The ability to deploy such advanced weapons enhances the US's deterrence posture and contributes to global stability by discouraging aggression. Section 7. The future of warfare is here. Deployment plans. The US military isn't wasting any time. They're planning to deploy hypersonic missiles on multiple platforms. This includes ships, submarines, and even ground launchers. The Navy is particularly interested in these weapons. They see hypersonic missiles as a way to counter the growing naval power of China. These deployments are a clear sign that hypersonic weapons are not just a futuristic concept. They are becoming a reality. And they are changing the face of modern warfare. Section 8. Changing the game impact on modern warfare. Hypersonic missiles are a game changer for several reasons. First, their speed and maneuverability make them very difficult to defend against. Second, they can strike targets much faster than traditional missiles. This gives militaries a significant advantage in a conflict. Third, hypersonic weapons have a psychological impact. Just knowing that a country possesses these weapons can be a deterrent. It's a whole new level of power. Section 9. The road ahead. What's next for hypersonic missiles? So, what's next for hypersonic missiles? The development of these weapons is ongoing. Countries are constantly trying to improve their capabilities. We can expect to see even faster and more maneuverable hypersonic missiles in the future. There's also a lot of research being done on countermeasures. The world is entering a new arms race, and hypersonic weapons are at the forefront. It's a dangerous game, but it's the reality we live in.